Hey friends, welcome back to the workshop. I'm Ashley. I'm a maker, an artist, and an avid upcycler. I teach craft classes locally here in Georgia, and I also have two booths where I sell my creations in Monroe at Hodgepodge. On today's episode of Thrift with Me, we're going to go check out Park Avenue Thrift Outlet in Lawrenceville, Georgia. So everything today is $2.50. At Park Avenue Thrift Outlet, they price their stuff based on what day of the week you go. So the day that I went, everything was $2.50. So I felt like in general, that was a really good deal for the items that I ended up choosing. I ended up grabbing this really cool vintage bunt pan. It has a great patina on it, and for $2.50, I just couldn't pass it up. When you guys are out thrifting, do you ever fall in love with an item and after you're looking it over, you see an element of that item that just makes your heart break? Well, this was the case with that little box. It has elephants all over it, and I'm just really not into elephants in my design style. So unfortunately had to leave that on the shelf for someone else to grab up. But I really love the shape of it. Speaking of loving the shape of something, I did grab this little teapot. It didn't have any cracks or chips on it, and it had a really cool pewter finish to it. So I grabbed that. I think it would be a great little shelf sitter in someone's kitchen or up on a cupboard. I don't like that in my 20s. And a little worse for wear. Sure. If you guys are getting into the cottagecore design style, you're going to want to keep your eye out for needlepoint artwork. It's an essential element that brings nostalgia into a space, and I don't regret a lot, but I do regret not picking up one of these pieces. This thrift store had a lot of needlepoint options. Okay, so I found a basket. What is this basket? Is that for a cat? Like, what comes in there? I feel like I need this, but I don't know why it has that. Anybody know? Let's see what else is that. Ooh, for you.
device now. What is this? It's got feet on it. It's got a date of November 2nd, 1973. It's got a plug, and it looks like that. It looks like a tray with handle. What is that?
Thanks for joining me on this Thrift With Me episode. Follow me at The Workshop Stop on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube.